following contest is a no-holds-barred match and is for the WWE Universal Championship.
Sounds to me, guys, like this crowd is ready to get this night started.
They're not the only ones, Cole. It seems to me that these superstars want nothing more than to get their hands on one another.
I'm the wrestling king, from Black Rock into the ring. I'm Merz, the ring chancellor. I take your money and burn it. Because I don't care about you. Because I don't care about you. Bitch! Slave with the dock, my mighty ball will crush you. When I come, the reckoning begins. Your resistance, a case for the balance sheet.
Guys, what better way to start the night off than with this one?
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Introducing the challenger from the pits of hell, weighing in at 453 pounds, the Machine. Introducing the champion from Germany, weighing in at 226 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, the Psycho.
Stay tuned. You can feel the electricity running through this arena. This is going to be some battle. One-on-one, mano-a-mano. Shoulder tackle.
Stomp. Good grief.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. You gotta believe this one's over. Challenger's starting to falter. At this point, it's all about how he responds and potentially rebounds.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't step in the ring with this guy and walk away completely unscathed.
I'm not going to go so far as to say he can't win this match, but things certainly aren't looking good for him right now.
Guys, a loss here for the champion would be incredibly embarrassing, especially considering all the trash talking I'm told that's been going on behind the scenes. I don't want to reveal my sources, but let's just say there's been some pretty harsh words being tossed around.
Kick to the gut. I don't know who your sources are, Corey, but it wouldn't surprise me at all to learn that the champion has been a little cocky heading into this one. He's looking at it. Incredible impact.
Here's his moment, Michael.
You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
Hey, Byron, just like you.
Oh, so tear the features clean off your face.
Beautiful technique.
Harsh impact.
Boom! Ooh! This might be it.
Oh, my.
The champion into the cover. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over. And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
Well, that match wasn't much to look at, but at least they gave a little bit of effort. Kind of like some women I date.
Here's your winner, and still WWE Universal Champion, the Psycho.
And that's the win to start off the night.
And you just know the rest of the card is watching in the back, wondering how in the world they're going to follow that.
Believe it or not, that's just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more great action.